Welcome you to Vidente. You are so valuable and I like to have you here. Thank you very much for supporting our So Star channel. Today I want to show you how easy it is to add subtitles to any video using your Windows machine. It is completely free and I am assuming that you are attempting to do this on your personal machine because we need admin rights to make modifications on that machine. Otherwise, if you are working on a corporate machine, I strongly suggest that you talk to your IT team and get assistance on this. And the entire process involves installation of 3 different tools. And we are ready to begin now. Let's let our highly trained friend Remy to walk us through the entire process of installation. So Remy, if you're ready to roll, the dance floor is all yours.
Sure, James. It is a pleasure to work with you. Let's kick off the installations procedure installing Anaconda. After opening your favorite browser, click the Windows search box and type Download Anaconda for Windows. Press Enter. To get the application installer file, click the Downloads Anaconda hyperlink. To accept all terms and conditions established by the provider, click the Accept All button. Here, you need to provide an email address to download a distribution. Click inside the email address box and type your email. When done, click the Submit button. You will be instructed to go to your email account and check for an email with the download link. Go to your email account and check your inbox tray. Open the Anaconda distribution download mail and click the Download Now link. From the Anaconda installers, under Windows Python 3.12, click the installer link for the 64-bit graphical installer. The download toolbox pops up to ask you what to do next. Click Save As. If your browser is using a default downloads location, your installer file will be downloaded there. Use the left panel navigation to scroll down. Click this PC and then click Windows C. To set a downloads folder to store all our downloads, click the new folder icon, type SOS, and press Enter. Use the new folder icon again to create the download subfolder. Click Save. Go to Windows File Explorer. Navigate to Windows C SOS Downloads. Double-click the installer file, for example, Anaconda 3-2024.10-1 Windows, x86_64. If your system asks, then allow the installer application to make changes to your device. You are now ready to start the Anaconda installation using the Setup Wizard. To continue, click Next. The Anaconda license agreement is displayed to you. Click I agree to accept the terms of this agreement. To perform an installation just for you, click Next. Click inside the destination folder box. When typing a folder destination, it is recommended that you add a suffix to track the Anaconda release version. For example, type C/SOS/Anaconda 3-2024.10-1. Click Next. For the advanced installation options, none of the boxes should be checked. Click Install. After patiently waiting for a few minutes, your installation should be completed. Click Next. Access to additional tools is provided for you for free, but you do not need to check that now. Click Next. The Anaconda installer should be done with the setup. After unchecking all box checks, click Finish. If you go back to Windows File Explorer, you will see a folder for your Anaconda release. Please let me walk you now through the steps needed to add folders to the path system variable. On the Windows Explorer's left pane, scroll all the way down, hover over this PC, right-click your mouse, and select Properties. The Windows Settings tool is brought up for you. Click Advanced System Settings. From System Properties, click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click Path, and then click Edit. If your access to system variables is restricted because you are not an admin for this machine, then proceed to click the path variable under User Variables and click Edit. For the Anaconda 3-2010.24-1 release, use the New button to add an entry for your Anaconda release folder and another one for the Condabin subfolder. Click OK when done. To close the Environment Variables toolbox, click OK. Click OK to close the System Properties toolbox and then close the Settings window. You are now ready to initialize your Conda tool. Use the Windows key R shortcut to open the Run toolbox. Next, click inside the open box, type CMD, and press Enter or click OK. The Windows command interface opens. Type the command Conda in it and press Enter. A preview of the changes status is displayed. The changes performed will take effect next time you open a new CMD interface. Close the command interface. This concludes the installation and configuration of Anaconda. We are making good progress. This is the perfect time to enjoy a cup of chocolate because the next tool to install is called Chocolatey. Use the following hyperlink to open the Chocolatey software install page. This is how the Install Chocolatey software web page looks like. Scroll down to the Install Chocolatey for individual use section and click the copy icon. Click the Windows search icon and type PowerShell. Click Run as administrator. To paste the copied command into the PowerShell interface, press Ctrl-V and press Enter. A tool called FFmpeg is needed. To install it, type the command choco install FFmpeg and press Enter. To confirm you want to run an installation script, type Y and press Enter. You may now close the Windows PowerShell command interface. Let's now verify that the environment variables needed for Chocolatey have been added. Press Windows key E to open Windows File Explorer. Scroll down along the left panel, hover over this PC, right-click your mouse, and click Properties. The Windows Settings tool is brought up for you. Click Advanced System Settings. From System Properties, click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click Path, and then click Edit. Verify that Chocolatey path folders are listed. If not, make sure to add each of them using the New button. Click OK when done. To close the Environment Variables toolbox, click OK. Click OK to close the System Properties toolbox. Click the X to close the Settings window. Well done, you made it to the end of installing Chocolatey. Before we finish, there is still a few things to set up. Let's create a Python virtual environment exclusively dedicated to the tasks required for adding subtitles to videos. Please, go back to Windows Explorer. Navigate to your Users folder, and use the new folder icon to create a folder. Make sure to name it Workspace. Double-click the Workspace folder. Now, use the new folder icon to create a folder called Whisper. Double-click the Whisper folder. Press Alt-D or click inside the folder path field. Type CMD and press Enter. Notice you landed on your Workspace's Whisper subfolder. Here is the command to create a virtual environment. Note that the period represents the path to current folder location. Whisper VENV will be the name of your new virtual environment. Press Enter to execute this command. To proceed, type Y and press Enter. Let's now activate the Whisper VENV virtual environment. Type the command conda activate /whisper VENV and press Enter. You can be sure you are now within your virtual environment because its full path is displayed before the current folder. You are now ready to start installing Python libraries. Type the command conda install pip and press Enter. To proceed installing pip, type Y and press Enter. To certify that communication between your Windows system and library resources providers can be trusted, you need to run this command. Type it and press enter. You can get started installing PyTorch locally by visiting this website. On the table shown, make sure to select the correct options for your system. The pip command to run later should be updated accordingly. Select it and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Go back to the command interface. Press Ctrl+V and use the left arrow to go back to remove the 3 from the command. Press enter to execute it. Type the command pip install OpenAI Whisper and press enter. I bet you are getting tired, but please bear with me. Here is the last Python library you need to install. Type the command pip install ffmpeg python and press enter. To exit your virtual environment, type the command conda deactivate and press enter. You will know you are no longer inside your virtual environment because its full path is not shown. Click the X to close the CMD window. Go back to your browser and click the X to close it. Congratulations! You made it to the end. Thank you very much for your patience. You are awesome, and please remember to reward James with a thumbs up for putting these together for you. Hey James, you may now take over to wrap up.
Indeed, that was Remy, an AI virtual assistant developed by Microsoft to help us with text to speech, which is a very, very nice tool. If you go to the description of this video, you will find a link for a follow-up video on practical applications. Make sure you don't miss that one. Go to the comments, leave your comment to help me out improving the content of this channel. I will be monitoring my subscribers list to make sure all of them receive by email a copy of the presentation given by Remy. That was all. I enjoyed a lot, and I hope you enjoy it as well. I will see you on the next one, but please remember to always love yourself and give some of that love to others.